Hello everybody, welcome back to skidsteers.com. I'm Isaac and today we're going to be talking about the heavy duty Blue Diamond brush cutter. This brush cutter does come in a couple different models. We've got it in a 60-inch with the 11 to 16 gallon per minute rating, another 60-inch that is 16 to 26 gallons per minute, and then a 72-inch which we have here, and that comes also with a 16 to 26 gallon per minute rating. There is not a high flow option for the heavy duty cutter. This is going to be great for all of your standard flow skid steers and all of your regular brush cutting or taking out small trees or saplings or mesquite trees. With the Blue Diamond heavy duty brush cutter, you do have the capability to cut up to 4 inches in diameter material, and you'll be able to do so with the 3 dual edge blades bolted onto the 3/4 inch thick blade carrier. The nice thing is these dual edge blades are able to be spun in either direction because you will find the motor is a bidirectional motor. It's a grease-filled direct drive system, which is going to be more convenient than some of your chain-driven brush cutters out there on the market. It's going to have less downtime, less maintenance, so you'll be able to run longer without having any issues. Also, with those dual edge blades, you'll be able to spin them in either direction with that bidirectional motor, being able to dull either side before needing replacements, which again is just going to give you longer life out of the blades and the cutter itself before needing any replacement parts or blades or anything like that. You're also going to find here that there is underneath the deck and between that 3/4 inch thick blade carrier a wire protection kit. So if you do run into anything like vines or fence or rope or anything that's stringy in material, it's going to wrap around that wire protection kit before it wraps around the spindle, which is of course going to protect the motor and that spindle drive, which is a big benefit to have on these brush cutters, just because sometimes you don't know what you're going to run into. If you've got really tall grass out in fields and you happen to come across something that could potentially damage that spindle or that motor. When getting into the structure of this unit, you will find that the deck is constructed of 1/4 inch thick steel, and then also we have on the front here the heavily reinforced wear bars, as well as going back to that heavily reinforced mounting plate. You're going to find that the deck itself off the ground is 9 inches, which is going to allow for great visibility when riding into that taller brush or shrubs or material or whatever it is that you are going after. And then on the back here, it is tapered off, so that way, with it being that lower deck, you're not going to have anything clogging up underneath the deck of the brush cutter. It's going to easily flow out the back. And then they also took their time when engineering and designing this to make sure that that height was as low as they could go without having all that material being bunched up underneath here. On the front, you're going to find the chain guard. This is going to be nice to have. That way you don't have material flying out the front. You're not going to have material flying out the back. And then unlike all of the brush cutters from Blue Diamond, the sides come down at a 90-degree angle, again allowing it so the material isn't being thrown out the sides or the back or the front, just protecting you inside of the cab of your machine, with also being it is easy to clear any pastures or whatever it is that you're going after. When receiving this brush cutter, you will have everything you need to run it. You'll have the hydraulic hoses, fittings, as well as that heavy-duty mounting plate. So once you do get it off the bed of the truck, you're going to be able to quick attach right onto the brush cutter, hook up those hydraulic fittings, and get to cutting any of your tall brush, small trees, saplings, mesquite trees, and it's going to do a fantastic job at taking all of that out, no problem whatsoever. This cutter does come with a 1-year warranty against any manufacturer defects, and we are currently offering free shipping on this unit. If you do have any questions or would like to get this on order, give us a call here. Our number is 866-315-3134. Thank you all very much for watching. You can also click the link in the description below if you would like to pull our page up on this cutter and see additional photos or any specs that may not have been mentioned in the video. Thank you all very much and have a great day.